Supercharged.
That Tesla got a parachute.
Look out, look out.
Y'all smoke some proper. Oh yeah. You a professional like that. Let everybody know. We got the Dodge Demon in the building with everything. 2 stages of Nitrous versus this Tesla PLAID, y'all. Go ahead and share. Let all the Tesla lovers come into the building, y'all. All the Tesla lovers need to be in the building. All the Dodge, Hemi, SRT, Scat Pack, Hellcat members, all them need to be in the building. So make sure y'all share. All right, here we go. Where y'all at? Right line for the win, man. He didn't stand a chance. Let's see what Funky Town got to say about it.
That man ran more than he ain't straight.
Nah, he got to leave with him.
He got a goddamn. He ran more than that time.
You don't think he hit the spray that time?
No, he said he gonna run more.
Oh yeah, well man, they got a supercharger though.
That Tesla got a parachute.
The Tesla got a parachute.
Goddamn mad, but I couldn't find the people that bet it.
Oh, you couldn't
Goddamn me, Zeno and them ran here.
Once again,
Oh, they 6 liters. Here go Demonology, y'all. Let's get Demonology. This is Supercharged Bad Mama Jamma. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, love, heart. Put it in Facebook, TikTok, anything. Follow, join. See a lot of people, new people joining. Appreciate it. Okay, Tyler Snyder, appreciate that. Demonology in the building. Where y'all going, man? Tesla or the Demon? We got a Dodge Demon in the building. Dodge Demon, Demonology, snatching souls. Oh, left lane, y'all. Man, he let him hit, man.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.